Alright, welcome back guys. I've had a lot of questions, great response to the treadle hammer, so I wanted to do a follow-up video. One of the biggest things people said was they wanted to see it being used in real time. I'll just go over a few of the things that I changed and I've done to the machine since I actually had the video come out. Okay, so the biggest change that I made since the video is I added these bracers, because previously it was only actually bolted and connected down here. So I did have a little bit of lift on the back end as it was in use. So these 2x6s are lag bolted into there and there, and this is just a further reinforcement cap, but those actually keep it from doing that lift when in use. The other thing that I had to do, even though this thing weighs a ton, I was still getting some movement. It would just kind of like rotate a little bit, just get out of position as I'd use it. So I had to do this. Simple set of 2x4s that actually connect to the bench. The other obvious thing is I put a piece of railroad track here. Alright, so some guys were looking into building one of these themselves, so I'll try to give you some basic dimensions. First thing, this steel block is 140 pounds. This anvil stand that I made is somewhere between 200 and 300 pounds. And it is 23 inches off the ground. And to the top of the actual die is 35 inches to right here. The height of the rear column was 32 inches just to the top of the wood, and then obviously you have to accommodate for the riser blocks here and the pillow blocks. Once this was done and already set in stone as far as the height of it, the die could then be adjusted accordingly and cut to the exact dimensions so that when this struck, you got a nice flat surface. And the distance between the actual rear column and the die is 30 inches, just under. So those are just some basic dimensions. If you guys have any further questions, hopefully I can help you out. I'll answer whatever I can. All right, I'm gonna go fire up the forge and we're gonna get some real-time footage of this in use. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before we do the forging, I'm actually gonna draw for the winner of the knife giveaway. Let's go do that. Okay, so I got all the entries written on these papers. Here's a future knife that's similar to someone's gonna win in a second. This will do. That'll work. This stuff actually was not that good. Smith & Forge. The winner are Groshans. Art Groshans on Instagram. I will be contacting you shortly. Congrats, dude. Alright, so that's it. Got to do some basic forging, roughed out a pommel that I have for my upcoming project. Congratulations again to the winner. Stay tuned, next build video coming soon.